I had a flat tire for the past 2 days now. Been wondering how I can remove it. But alhamdulillah, I started to check YouTube. I'm a YouTuber. MashaAllah. I said Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I watched the video twice and voila. This is the end product. I was able to remove it, tighten it up. I hope I did it very well. But MashaAllah, I tightened it like twice. I watched how the guy did it. Toyota Corolla 2019 was the model he used. Mine is 2004. So I watched his video twice. And MashaAllah, I tightened it twice. I tightened it very well anyway. At least all the power I have. I use my feet as guided. Alhamdulillah, this is the end product. Change the flat tire.
I like this.
What the man can do.